Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'll be telling you how to sell the options with low capital. You have been seeing that I have posted a lot of videos on the option selling series, wherein I was having far out of the money, call option or the put option. If I am selling a call option, I will be buying far out of the money call, or if I'm selling the put, I used to buy far out of the money put options also along with that. So why I used to do that, we will say in this video. Now suppose, let's see, now as of now the Nifty has closed at 19,700. So let's take a example of at the money strike price. Like, at the money strike price will be around 19,700. So here I have made an if you go in the orders, there is an option called wherein you can create a basket. So now suppose there's I created two folder named as naked option selling, and another folder name as option selling with buying far out of the money option. So I will go ahead with, I will first of all I will add here 19,700 P as the at the money strike price put option for month this current monthly expiry. So I will add another 19,300 P far out of the money option. As if you see now here, the 19,300 P is costing around 10.5 rupees, and wherein the 19,700 P is around going around at 92 rupees. So let's go ahead with this option. I will go to this folder where I already added this. Let me delete this and I will add here 19,700 P for this monthly expiry. If you see, I will make it over here is a sell. The amount required to sell one lot of this option is around 1,06,000 rupees. So for just selling an option is costing me around more than 1 lakh. So if you see, I added this option and I will close it. If you see over here, it is costing me around 1,02,000 rupees. So overall, the margin required. So let me clear this side. So I will what I'll do is, like, I'll go to the another folder wherein I created with the same intent. Like, see here, I'll delete all these options. Now what I'll do is, instead of first selling the option, I will take the far out of the money PE. Now I already decided that I want to sell a big put of 19,700. So what I'll do is, like, add. So this option is this dialog box comes because the Zerodha will not allow us to sell beyond 19,500 to 19,008. We have to buy put option from 19,500 strike price to 19,850. So if you want to avoid this, you can do it in the intraday basis. But usually we can, I'm showing you the option, example of adding it. What I'm doing is, I'll buy this, I will add to the watch list. The amount required is 5,025. So for 90,700 P monthly expiry, I want to sell this. The amount required initially we saw in the another folder, it was around 1,06,000. So now if I add this, if you see over here, the margin required is how much, is just 33,000. So wherein the margin required for just selling this option is 1,06,000. So if you see, there is a huge difference of around 70,000 rupees for, if you buy in a far out of the money put option and then sell the current, whichever the strike you want to, like, at the money or above the strike price, like you want to go to in the multiples of couple of strike price to get the more premium. But if you see, there is a difference of like 70 rupees premium. Why is it? Because you are here buying the put option, giving him the premium out of that, and then out because of that, you are, the premium required for selling this is lesser. So usually, if you would have seen, I do this strategy usually to sell the options. What I'll do, like, even yesterday I had posted a video wherein, like, I was telling you, like, I bought 19,700 P sorry 19,700 put I have sold. So four lots. If you see, what I have done is, like, I sold four lots. Similar basis, I have bought four lots of 90,300. So the amount required for this is, like, if you see, I'll show you in the folder, like, what how much amount is it. Like, as you saw, to sell one lot, I required 1,06,000. So cumulatively, if I want to sell four lots, it would be obvious that 4,24,000 is what it the amount is required for me. So let me show you in the similar. For what I have done is like, in the basket, first is what naked option selling edit. So what I'll do is like edit, I have sold how many options as four options. My average price is around 82.4. So I'll modify this. So if you see, the amount required for me to sell this four lots is 4,11,000, which if I want to sell just that would be like huge money. And if the option is going in the loss, the amount also will get deducted from the dashboard. It's not it's not like an option buying where you view the premium and the amount will get deducted from the premium paid. But in the option selling, the whatever the loss is there, it will get deducted from the dashboard dashboard amount, not from your the premium payment. So yeah, I'll go to the next folder wherein I will do the same thing. You will understand how much I have paid. So what I'll do is like 90,700 P. I'll make it as a four lots, 82.4 rupees. I'll modify, and even I bought around four lots of this. I don't know exactly. I'll make it as a modify. So see, the amount required for me to sell this option is just 1,33,000. So if you want to sell a naked option, it is 4,16,000. So now after buying those put option, I paid how much? 1,33,000. So cumulatively, if you see the amount required for this one, the percentage I will show you, 1,33,580. I'll divide it by 4,16,000. That is around like I paid only 32% of the amount required. So this is 32%. So I'm able to sell these options at 32% of the capital required, then they directly selling the naked put option. So that's how it works. And it does not applicable, it is not applicable only to the put selling, it is applicable to the similar on similar basis to the call option. So now what is the another thing is like, if I want to sell now 19,700 call, so what I'll do is like I'll add this 19,700 and then I'll go with 19,900 or 20,000 call option, far out of the money call option. So what is it like, now if you see the similar basis, like if you say 97,000, 97 is a premium, and the premium for 20,000 C is this one. So similar basis, you can go ahead with, first you have to buy the call, buy the option, like far out of the money option, far out of the money option. And then you have to sell the option that you are willing to sell. It may be option put or the call option. So I hope I am clear with this strategy. And even if you are not clear with the profile, like you want to understand where if the nifty spot goes, and then where what all will be your profit and losses, you can use a platform called as an option analytics. It's a free of platform wherein you can analyze your trades. Suppose here, see, I have sold 19,700 P. So what I'll do is I will just go ahead with, I will here see there is an option, and you can input your all your details, what you have, how many lots at what price you have sold. And it will show you the, you have to click on the add position. It will show you the P&L statement over here. So now for me the break even is 19,618 till 19,618, at or below 19,618 my profit will increase, in the sense like at the maximum profit will happen only at what price is 19,700. So beyond 19,700 I will gain the maximum profit, which is 16,400. So you need not to add the far out the money option. That is just for the premium reduction required. So that amount usually it will cost you around like maybe 1,500 or something. So you can minus that amount from the 16,500. So the over profit you will be like 15,000. With the capital required, how much we had paid, 1,33,000. So it is like 10% of the premium, 10% of the capital deployed. That's how it works. So I hope I'm clear with the strategy and how to analyze and how to make sure that what is your ranges for the trade. uh, we'll let you know in the next video if anything else I'll be updating in my strategy. So I'll be linking you the videos which I have been posting in the link, so that you can view that and understand how and what was my exit strategies for those things. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.